Hey there! Thanks so much for checking out our SketchUp Style Templates. If you've already purchased them, we're thrilled, and we hope you're as excited as we are to start creating some stunning visuals. This quick demo will show you exactly how to use these styles in your SketchUp projects. Don't worry, it's a breeze. We've divided the styles into two categories, Styles 3D and Styles plus Script. Let's kick things off with Styles 3D. Once you've downloaded the zip file and unzipped it, you'll notice a few folders. We're going to start with the 01A Styles folder. Inside, you'll find 5 SketchUp files, each prepped with a different style template. Let's open the Sage Pink style template. It's one of my favorites. When you open the file, you'll see a demo model showcasing the style, plus 2 scenes and 2 styles within this model. First, go ahead and delete the demo model. It's just there to show off the style. Next, grab the model you want to apply the style to, copy it, and paste it into the 01A Styles file. Voila! The style is automatically applied, and your model is now ready for export. Depending on the size of your model, you may want to tweak the scene a bit before exporting. For example, if you click on the scene labeled Sage Pink Cut, you'll see a cool section cut view, which is perfect for showcasing plans, sections, or isometric views. Easy, right? Now let's move on to the second category, Styles Script. We created this to give you even more flexibility and variety in the images you can create. There are a few extra steps, but trust me, the results are totally worth it. Let's dive in. Head to the 02A Styles Script folder, and let's open up the blue-red file. Fun name, right? Once the file is open, you'll notice a more detailed demo model that gives you an idea of the final look. Also, pay attention to the fact that this file only has 5 tags. This is key to creating that awesome final image. Here's what you need to do next. Open your model and do a Save As. This is important because in the next step, we'll be running a Ruby script that cleans up your existing tags to fit the new style. Each script provides 3 colors, a primary color, a secondary color, and an accent color. Take a look at your model and decide which tags should be assigned to each color. For example, in our model, I want the walls to be the primary color, the millwork or joinery to be secondary, and the stairs and people to be the accent. Got it sorted? Great. Now open the text file named 3ColorSort SketchUp Script found in the YY Scripts folder. You can use TextEdit on a Mac or Notepad on a PC. You'll see a line that says Tag Groups. Simply replace everything between the first set of square brackets with the tags you want to assign to the primary color. Make sure each tag is in single quotes and separated by commas. Do the same for the secondary and accent colors, then save the file. The good news is you only need to do this once for your studio. Next, copy the text in the script, head to your saved model, click on Extensions, Developer, Ruby Console. Paste the text in the bottom line and hit Enter. You should see your model transform into the 3 selected colors. If you spot any extra colors, it means you've missed some tags. Don't worry, just delete those extra tags and move their entities to one of the 3 categories. Now your model is ready to be pasted into any of the style templates from SA002A Styles Script. Let's go ahead and copy all the elements and paste them into the blue-red SketchUp file. Make any scene tweaks to match your view, and your model is ready for export. Just to wrap up, while it may feel like a lot of steps, most of them you only need to do once. After that, you'll be styling your models in no time. We hope these templates help you create stunning social media images. And when you do, don't forget to tag us. Our Instagram handle is @digitalarchitect.ai. Happy exporting!